In this video, I'm going to be going through the White Rock chicken, and stay tuned till the end because I'm going to actually be going through the egg laying capabilities and the table fare capabilities and the hardiness of this breed. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. The White Rock chicken is an all-star chicken that will get the job done on the farm and serve up dinner too. This American breed originated in Massachusetts and was named after Plymouth Rock. While the White Rock is referred to as a breed on its own, it is actually a variety of the Plymouth Rock, which can come in different color varieties, including white. You may even hear other chicken fanciers refer to the White Rock as the White Plymouth Rock. Think of it as being similar to the naming of the Orpington chicken. There's Buff Orpingtons, Jubilee Orpingtons, and Splash Orpingtons, and so on. Regardless of the different terminologies that fly around the name of this breed of the chicken, they are not to be drowned out by the chitter chatter. The White Plymouth Rock won its way into the hearts of Americans by providing everything needed on the homestead. Before I talk about all their pluses that they provide, let's first get into the appearance. Yes, it's true that the Plymouth Rock can come in barred, buff, silver penciled, Colombian, and blue, but we are taking a close look at the white variety of this versatile breed. The White Rock is hatched with yellow combs that turn into a bright red at maturity while their legs remain yellow. Once combs start changing, fresh eggs on a daily basis won't be too far behind. The White Rock is a breathtakingly blinding bright white. This is the chicken that lived on great grandma's homestead and helped put breakfast on the table. These are the chickens in the rustic old farmhouse paintings. They've been around doing the chicken chores for a long time. The White Rock tends to be one of the fluffier chickens in the flock, especially in the winter. Their soft, fluffy feathers make them perfect for cold climates. Now let's get into the chicken's size. It's considered a standard sized chicken, but is actually on the larger side. At maturity, they weigh in around 8 pounds, perfect for the dinner table. Their fluffy feathers tend to make them appear larger than they actually are, but despite this ruse, they are the perfect size for the holiday family dinner. Now let's get into the egg laying capabilities. But before I do, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also subscribe to our website, thehappychickencoop.com. If you subscribe using the link in the description, you'll receive a free ebook on the 10 best egg laying chicken breeds. All right, if the Cornish cross is the king of the meat chickens, the White Rock takes the throne for the egg layers. This utility breed can pump out nearly an egg a day if they are happy and healthy. If you love the warm hue of a large brown egg, this is your hen. In fact, if you already purchased brown eggs from your local grocery store, you can bet that they came from a White Rock. Along with the Rhode Island Red, the Rock is at the top of the egg laying spectrum in terms of productivity, laying well over 200 eggs per year. Now I've already kind of told you about their size at maturity and how they're perfect for the dinner table, but let's expand just a tad. The White Rock is best known for her egg production, but she's also a great chicken to keep around for the dinner table. Since she is a larger breed, the yield of meat is just the right amount. The Rock is definitely considered a dual-purpose breed and was bred for this purpose. As far as the hardiness goes of this breed, they're bred to withstand the northern climates. The White Rock is extremely hardy in winter weather. Those fluffy feathers are perfect insulation when the temps drop during cold spells. However, this chicken does sport a single comb, which can make this chicken more prone to frostbite. Those who live in climates that reach sub-zero temperatures can combat frostbite though by keeping their chickens in well-insulated coops and applying Vaseline to their combs to help insulate them. Since the White Rock was built to withstand the cold climates of Massachusetts and Maine, these hens will not slow down in egg production throughout the winter as long as they are comfortable and have everything they need to thrive. As far as free ranging goes for the White Rock is another forager to add to the backyard flock as they were bred to be the homesteader's chicken. They will happily forage for the majority of their protein if it is available and come to the coop for whatever they feel they might need after a long day's work. One drawback of the beautiful snow white bird is its inability to hide from predators like other breeds of chicken. Surprisingly, the white chicken is actually at a greater risk of being spotted and picked off by a predator than those that have barring or darker feathers that help them to remain camouflaged. With that being said, the White Rock is still an intelligent chicken and knows to keep an eye out for aerial and ground predators. Now let's get into the temperament of the White Rock. Hardy, handy, and resourceful, but it doesn't stop there. The White Rock, in its beautiful fluffy white feathers, is also a friendly hen to have. She is considered to be docile and friendly and not afraid to visit with you when you are out and about doing your chores every morning. Like most friendly, calm birds, this laid-back temperament puts them at risk of being picked on and bullied by the more aggressive breeds. So just keep an eye out on your flock when you add White Rocks and make sure they thrive amongst any flock mates that have a tendency to assert themselves more aggressively than this sweet breed. There is a proper way actually to introduce a new chicken to your flock which we've done a video on, and I'll link to that card. While the White Rock does tend to be a good mother, she does not go broody as frequently as other homesteading breeds, such as the Orpington chicken, but when she does, she is very attentive to her clutch. She will fiercely protect her chicks if left to raise them on her own. The White Rock, or White Plymouth Rock, is a wonderful dual-purpose chicken with a meaningful American history. For a short time, this historical breed was considered threatened on the Livestock Conservancy conservation priority list, but since entered into recovery thanks to dedicated breeders who enjoy the perks of raising such a flexible, friendly chicken. For new chicken owners, this hardy chicken will provide all the benefits of a well-rounded chicken in a short amount of time, ensuring an enjoyable journey through raising your first flock of chickens. If you like this video, be sure to check out this one over here. That's going to do it for us at the Happy Chicken Coop. Thanks for listening. If you find our content interesting, if you learned something new, be sure to like and subscribe. And with that, I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.